In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your QuickBooks Online data. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, ensuring your financial data is backed up is essential for peace of mind and business continuity. So let's dive into the process and safeguard that important information. First, let's open QuickBooks. You can do this by navigating to the QuickBooks homepage via your web browser. Once you're logged in, you should see the familiar QuickBooks dashboard, which is the hub for all your financial data. Now, locate the Settings option. You'll find it in the top right corner of your dashboard, represented by the gear icon. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu that gives you access to several QuickBooks features and settings. Settings are your gateway to customizing and managing your QuickBooks environment, so it's an important place to familiarize yourself with. From the Settings menu, you'll see an option that says Export Data. Click on that. Exporting data means you're preparing a copy of your financial records for use outside of QuickBooks, typically in a spreadsheet format. Doing so not only creates a backup, but also lets you analyze your data using different tools if needed. After selecting Export Data, you'll be led to a new page. Here, you'll want to find the area that mentions date ranges. Specifically, look for pre-selected date ranges. Clicking here allows you to specify which time period's data you'd like to back up. This feature is particularly useful if you need records only from certain months or quarters instead of everything. Take a moment to think about what data you need to capture today, as this selection will determine what's included in your backup. Finally, let's discuss the exporting process. You'll see an option labeled Export to Excel. Click on it when you're ready. This will start the process of downloading your data in an Excel spreadsheet format, which is versatile and widely used. Excel sheets are easy to share and analyze and can be imported into other accounting or data analysis systems if need be. Once your file is prepared, it will either download automatically or prompt you to choose a location on your computer to save it. Make sure you know where it's saving so you can access it later without any hassle. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've ensured your QuickBooks Online data is backed up and secure. Regularly backing up your financial records not only protects you against data loss, but also helps streamline your accounting processes. Remember, this isn't a one-and-done task. Make it a routine. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps keep your data safe.